In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Crypto.com. So to do this, just go and open up the Crypto.com app, and first you will need to have some money in your account to actually use to buy the cryptocurrency. So if you don't have that yet, then you want to click deposit and just go and deposit some crypto or fiat. Now after doing that, at the home screen here, you can just click on buy, and then from here you can see the cryptocurrencies offered on Crypto.com. So in the For You section, you will see some that they think you will like, but you can also go to the top gainers, top losers, new cryptocurrencies on Crypto.com, and the most traded ones. Now usually I'll just filter by most traded, and of course Bitcoin is at the top, but you can just pick any cryptocurrency you want to buy. So for this example, I will just go with Bitcoin. And then here you can select a payment method. So you can also choose to pay with Apple Pay or a credit or debit card. But what I'm going to do is just pay with my Euro wallet. And then you can click on max, and then it will select the maximum amount that you have in your wallet, or you can select a certain percentage, for example 25%, and then click buy. And now you will see there are no fees on this, so then just go and click on confirm and then enter your passcode. And now you have purchased this cryptocurrency, and you can just click to continue. And now when I go to my accounts, you will now see in my crypto wallet, I have the Bitcoin that I just bought. So now you know how to buy crypto on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.